Your Excellency, the President of the Republic of Kenya, Your Excellency, Honorable Raila Odinga, the Prime Minister, and all protocols observed. I have sat for a long time, so I don't want to speak much. What I want to say is that this man lying here was a great man. He was a very, very great man. Because I can tell you, the man he was taking care of, called Raila Odinga, is not a very easy person to take care of. He is not a very easy person to take care of. I can tell you as his elder brother, Raila is very tough, and he likes discipline. He likes discipline, and I can assure you that if you are around him and you are not disciplined, his left hand is very fast and you will not take long around him. You will not take long around him. And George, who is lying here, was my friend. I knew him in 1992 when he was in the Ajip House with my dad. But I knew him more in 1994 when Jaramogi passed on. He is among the youth who came to campaign for me under very difficult circumstances. KANU was pouring money, in Bondo was pouring money and also food. It was during famine time. And Your Excellency, those people were very, very aggressive. I know you were there, so you know. You know that Odongo Mamo came with gunias of money, bags of money, and also food. I was a poor civil servant. I had just come from being the provincial planning officer in Kakamega, and I came in to Bondo without expecting to contest any seat as a member of parliament. And I had no money. And even my brother Raila did not give me money. He was a member of parliament. Nobody gave me money, but Oduor came, and he was with Nyam Nyam and others, and Agunyo, Wakin Agunyo. I can see them, those ones you call veterans. They came for us, to campaign for us in Webuye and here. And I can assure you, it was not an easy struggle, and they managed to go through that fierce force of KANU, and we managed to win the elections by landslide. By landslide. And Oduor, I can tell you people, if you didn't know, that he was more than security to Raila. He was more than security. He was like a brother, and he knew everything. He knows, you know, what security knows what is ailing you, what security knows what is how you think. The security would judge Raila and even be very sensitive. When Raila wants to do something, he would actually just make sure that that thing is done very fast. And I want to ask the Almighty God to put his great soul to rest. And finally, Your Excellency, I want to say one thing, that this country has a democratic system where we do elections every 5 years. We do elections every 5 years. But we cannot have a situation where we are agitating, standing up and saying, Ruto must go, Ruto must go. Well, if he goes, so what? If he goes, so what? He can go like the president of Siad Barre of Somalia went, and there was chaos in that country. There was complete chaos in that. Up to today, Somalia does not know peace. And we don't want our country to suffer that. We want our country to be peaceful. We want to stabilize it. And that is the reason why we joined you, Your Excellency, when we were actually the ones carrying out what Gen Z was doing. We want to encourage this country to be peaceful, and we are going to work. And those our friends who think otherwise, they should also continue to think otherwise, and we remain friends with them, but they should know that as ODM we have decided to work in this broad-based government, and we have lent you people to work with you. But, Your Excellency, what I would like to appeal for, please make sure that our region gets its fair share of development. Let us get our fair share of development, and those people who think that we are taking their share from the mountain, we are not taking your share. Kenya is so big, and we are only eating our share. Mr. President, give us our share, not theirs. If they want to come, let them come. So, Mr. President, I don't want to say more. Thank you very much for the opportunity, and may the Almighty God rest Oduor's body in peace, and also have everlasting peace for his family. Thank you, Karen, and thank you, everyone.
The only orphan in East and Central Africa has spoken. Thank you, Dr. Oburu. On behalf of all the workers